Two. Court calls the case, People versus Shannon Kiesling.
Your Honor, reading the code of the people.
Ron Brown, appearing on behalf of Shannon Kiesling, Your Honor. I spoke to her last night. I'm asking for adjournment for her to reconsider sobriety.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Okay,
To reconsider it?
yeah,
I'm gonna, yeah.
Okay, let me ask this. Is she going to try to go through that process?
yes. And I believe she's already been referred. She was meeting with Mr. Ted Heaton
Yeah.
and,
When is that supposed to take?
well, she
I've
had,
already done it.
she had, and at first it wasn't a fit for her. But after we talked last night, she's now
Gotta find a way.
gonna find a way to make it work.
Right.
Okay. I'm not sure what that means. I don't know. I need to know. Will the 18th be enough time for her to figure that out?
What?
The 18th?
We'll have to find out, but I'm not sure when the next meeting is. And we would adjourn so that between now and
It's
the
on
next meeting,
Thursdays, it's every other.
it's every other Thursday, but I can't remember if it was last week or this Thursday.
I'm looking at Judge Frischer's calendar, I'm not seeing it. This week, it looks like there's not one next week from what I can tell, it's like just a deep down.
Okay, so what I'll just go to March 4th,
March,
2026, 9 AM.
thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
So March 4th, that time to meet with Mr. Heaton.
If there is one on the 12th, I don't know if the 18th would. work.
Oh, there is one on the 12th?
Well, hold on.
Then I'll adjourn it to the 18th.
So there's one on the 12th. You want to go to the one on the 12th? I'll send Mr. Heaton an email.
Okay. No, I've already done and paid $100 to do one of these.
But I think you need to see him again because he was under the impression he didn't want to attend.
Oh, no, he wasn't. This
Okay,
was later. This was with my lawyer. What's her name?
Perini,
Yeah.
I'm the new guy.
Okay.
Don't beat up the new guy.
No.
Don't beat up the new guy, counselor, but understand this. Being new doesn't excuse confusion. Court procedures are precise for a reason. Everyone here is expected to keep up. This court moves forward, not backward.
Get a hold of me?
Yes, when I talked to Mr. Heaton.
I know. I got you.
Stop at your counter, paper reminding him. Yeah.
Court calls case People versus Austin Knox.
Your Honor, reading the code for the people.
How much is on there? Do we know?
For the judge, court shall please to assist the public defender on behalf of Mr. Knox, who's approaching the podium. Please take the record.
Austin James Knox, how are you doing, Your Honor?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. I believe we're gonna need an adjournment of Mr. Knox's file. He also wants me to make a bond request, Judge.
Adjourn the matter to March 4th, 2026, 9 AM.
Thank you, Judge. My
Oh,
understanding.
how many? And it's in the afternoon. All right.
Okay. I just spoke with Mr. Knox briefly and got to know him a little bit. Apparently, he is on testing through this court through community corrections. Apparently, he's doing alcohol and drug testing there. He indicates that he has been doing his testing.
What?
He indicates he has been doing his testing, but it's been putting a strain on his employment. He indicates that he works in Taylor for a rental car place as a mechanic. He should leave work early to come in and test. He was hoping maybe the frequency could be changed.
How often does he test? Looks like.
Once a week.
Is it once a week?
Yeah, even with once a week, my boss is getting upset with me about it. They expect me to be there from 6 to 6 every day.
I got you. So what I will do is I'll reduce it testing to 1 time per month.
Okay.
All right,
Thank you very much, Judge.
all right,
Thank you, Judge.
thank you.
Do I need to go to community corrections now?
Are
Or,
you scheduled?
Why you feel like you're,
no,
no, I'm kidding.
no.
Um,
Well, my number is called today.
was it, yeah, I'd go over there and get tested. If they called it today, go over and test today.
Talk to my lady, figure out the once a month thing.
Yeah, I probably wouldn't refer to her that way, but yes. Talk to her, tell her that Judge Simpson reduced you to once a month. They'll get a new order over there sometime today with that on it.
All right,
All right, but if you test today, then you'll be good for a while.
all right, thank
All
you.
right, you're welcome.
You have a good day.
Thank you, Judge.
Court calls the case, People versus Elizabeth Loman.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Ms. Loman. She's in Florida. Is she on our Zoom?
Ms. Loman?
Hello,
Oh, there she is. All right, state your name, please.
Elizabeth Woman.
All right,
Your Honor, I'm requesting an adjournment. I have some more discovery I have to obtain.
I'll adjourn it to March 4th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Court calls the case, People versus Carlos Mack.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Mack.
Carlos Mack? Oh, there he is.
Your Honor, there was an offer tendered by the prosecution, but we still have some more homework on the case. I'm requesting a brief adjournment. He has a sentencing next week in front of you on an OWVI, I believe. That's correct.
February 18th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Bond continued. At 9 a.m.
Yes. See you next.
Court calls the case, People versus Elijah One Matthews.
Worship, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Elijah Matthews. Hopefully he is present.
Elijah One Matthews, he's not in.
All right, well, Judge, I did speak to Mr. Matthews yesterday. He was gonna ask me to request an adjournment to review the video. I don't know why he's not present. I would request a show cause or adjournment.
Bench warrant, 5,000, 10%. That warrant will issue immediately.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Court calls the case of the People versus Chauncey Milligan.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Chauncey Milligan. I believe he's on Zoom.
Chauncey?
I am.
There he is. Okay. We got him. He's Motorola. All right. What do we-
Requesting an adjournment. There's an offer in the case. I haven't been able to relay it to him.
Got it. All right, Chauncey, I'm gonna adjourn you out to March 4th. 2026, 9 a.m. Okay?
Okay,
All right. You take care.
you too.
All right. Court calls the case, People versus Jessica Mitchell.
Judge, Worship Feaster, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Ms. Mitchell, who's approaching the podium. When you arrive, please state your name for the record.
Jessica Mitchell.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. I believe Ms. Mitchell is requesting an adjournment. She is hoping I can get an offer from Mr. Cook that might keep the record clean. So
What? We'll
that might
keep the
keep-
record clean.
she's been clean for the last 7 years, Judge. So
What?
she has had no problem for the last 7 years. So she's
7 years.
Yes, Judge. So she's trying to maintain a clean track record.
7 years?
7 years, Judge.
I don't either.
Look at you.
Right? No. So
Proud of you too, Judge.
things can happen. Good things can happen.
I'm gonna negotiate on her behalf, Judge.
I'll adjourn it to March 4th, 2026, 9 a.m. All right, thank you, man.
Thank you, Judge.
Court does call the case, People versus Whitney Mitchell.
Ready, Judge. Torsia Feaster, Assistant Public Defender, appearing on behalf of Ms. Whitney Mitchell.
Miss Mitchell's in Zoom. Miss Mitchell?
Yes.
All right, I need a camera, please.
Okay, I'm trying to. Okay, sorry.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
Thank you, Judge. I did speak to Ms. Mitchell yesterday.
You're not driving, right?
No, I'm parked outside of my job waiting to clock in. I just went to the car so
Okay.
they couldn't hear me.
Okay, gotcha. Okay. What
Thank
do
you,
we do?
Judge. According to the notes in this file, Ms. Mitchell has already done a private assessment, but she has not been able to have those records turned over yet to the appropriate people. So she's willing to do a assessment with Statman or one of the other people after Friday when she gets her paycheck. So she's requesting an adjournment so she can do a new assessment. She'll do that after she's paid.
Okay, we need to get this thing moving.
Yes, Judge.
And then what's the hope with the assessment? I guess some.
Yes.
Yeah. I believe we're working on getting her to sobriety court.
Okay, gotcha.
That's what the notes indicate, Judge. Yes.
So I'll adjourn this out then to March 4th,
Thank you, Judge.
2026, 9 a.m.
You got to get that done, Miss Mitchell. Okay.
Okay, I'll go. I'll set it up.
All
you.
right, thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls case People versus John Neary.
When you're agreement to cook with people.
Oh, there he is.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Neary.
We need to get this case moving. Assessments, delays, and waiting for paychecks have gone on long enough. Sobriety court is not optional or indefinite. By the next date, this will be completed, or the court will proceed without it.
0215. Yeah, I didn't have your number, so
Okay, all
we'll
right.
call you.
They called me yesterday. I'll adjourn it out to March 4th,
March 4th.
2026, 9 a.m. All right, his bond will continue. Sir, how's your family?
Had a little turn for the worse there, like 2 weeks ago.
Pardon?
The wound won't hold or not like that. She's up at U of M now. She's might do another surgery. I have to be like a third one.
All right.
So it's a pad. It's not.
I got
Okay.
you.
All
You
right.
know you're still in our prayers, right?
Yes, sir. I do. I appreciate it.
Take care.
I love that suit.
Oh, thank you.
I didn't want to say nothing with it like that. I'm like, oh.
Thank you, sir.
Court calls the case People versus Russell Norville.
Good morning, you're on agreement to cook with people.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Norville.
He's in too. Sir, state your name.
Russell Norvell.
I'm requesting an adjournment. I'm still trying to get the other video. I showed him what I had. I talked to him.
There's
and told him.
another video.
Yes, Your Honor.
Adjourn this to March 4th, 2026, 9 a.m. bond continue.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
That's the recall for Mr. Bird.
Okay.
I did speak to the
His-
attorney's office. They said about
An hour?
well, but that was
A while
that
back.
was a while, yes.
All right. Sir, your attorney's on his way down.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court's in recess.
All rise. He can discuss it with our client and hopefully get this case resolved.
All right. Would the 18th be enough or the 4th?
I think the 18th would be fine. Is that okay with you?
February 18th?
Yeah,
Yeah, I can do February 18th or March 4th. Which one would be better for you?
the 18th would be fine.
February 18th?
All right. It's gonna be a busy day, but we'll put you on there. February 18th, 2026, 9 a.m. or is your invite indicates bond will continue.
Thank you very much.
All right, and sir, I didn't mean to yell at you, but I wasn't gonna let you try to
I didn't know.
everything on your own. I understood you were a bit frustrated, but sometimes my job.
The only way to learn, right?
What?
I didn't
Well,
know.
sometimes I have to protect people from themselves,
Sure.
right?
Exactly.
He's a veteran, Your Honor, and they're take charge guys, and I get it.
He's a
but
vet. Which branch?
Navy. US.
Navy?
Navy, yes.
God bless you. All right. Then you're my favorite now. We're good.
Wow.
All righty. You take care of yourself.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
Good day.
Court calls the case, People versus Carl Rogers.
Ron Brown coming on behalf of Carl Rogers.
Good afternoon, you're on agreement to cook with people.
How you doing, sir?
I'm doing well. Could you state your name, please?
Carl Lawrence Rogers.
Thank you. All right, what are we doing?
I'm requesting an adjournment, Your Honor.
I'll adjourn this matter to March 4th, 2026, 9 a.m. bond. I'm sorry.
Can I please say something, sir?
Sure.
I had 4 strokes, 3 heart attacks. Almost just died. I don't know. Talk to the attorney, let her know. So this is something that's I don't know what's going on. I don't know what I did. I didn't do nothing, so I don't know what this is. I've been in the hospital. I've been sick, so I haven't even. I don't know what's going on. So I'm really
Okay,
confused.
so here's what we'll do, okay? I'm gonna adjourn it out to the 4th. The public defender's office, they're gonna be in touch with you, be able to answer all of your questions and everything. And then we'll come back and see if we can get this put behind you, okay?
Yes, sir.
Can we
Okay.
give him our number?
Yeah, so do you have something to write with so I can give you the public defender's office number?
Yes, sir.
All right, it's area code 734
734
222
222
6970.
6970.
Yes, sir. Okay, call down there, make sure that they have your correct phone number and a good email address for you.
Yes, sir.
All right, very good.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, we'll see you on the 4th and be well. All right.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Court calls case of the people versus Latoya Salisbury. Saying that right.
Ready, Judge, court shall plead the assistant public defender on behalf of Ms. Salisbury. Could unmute, state your name, ma'am.
I'm here now. My name is Latwala Salisbury.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sideways. No, now she's right.
All right.
No, she's back sideways. It's all right. We see you. Okay. There you go.
Thank you, Judge. I still need to talk.
Well, now she's, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You're making me dizzy. All right, what are we doing?
A brief adjournment, Judge. We're still trying to get a resolution for this file.
All right. Ma'am, I'm going to adjourn this matter to March 4th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued in this case. All right?
Okay, thank you.
And then maybe you can figure out a way not to like come in sideways on the
Zoom.
All right,
All
okay.
right.
Bye, Mr. Simpson.
All right.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
You too.
Court calls the case, people versus Jacob Simmons.
What is that court shall plead the assistant public defender on behalf of Mr. Simmons?
Oh, there he is.
Sorry.
Your name?
Jacob Charles Simmons.
Thank you, Judge. My understanding is we are requesting an adjournment. There are some videos in the file, but Mr. Simmons has not yet reviewed.
He hasn't seen them. March 4th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond will continue. All
Thank
right,
you.
sir. Thank you.
Call the office. Thank you,
Court
Judge.
calls case, people versus Angela Stoker.
Okay.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Ms. Stoker, Your Honor. Please state your name, ma'am.
Angela Stoker.
Thank you.
May I approach with the prosecutor?
You may. All right, record should reflect, we've had a bench conference in the case. I will set this for a final settlement conference again for April 10th, 2026, 9 a.m. I'll reset the non-jury trial date for April 29th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Just to read the record, I know we discussed at the bench, I indicated there is some additional discovery. I was told the report should be made sometime either this week or next week. I will tender that to the defense as soon as we get it.
And just so that I'm
This
clear,
video from the apartment complex that the police told the prosecutor about. We just learned of this today.
Interesting.
Yes, ma'am. I'd ask that bond continue.
yeah, bond will continue with its conditions. Why weren't you here on the 5th? What happened?
Time, but I did come up here. I came up here at 10. And I think it was at 9 or something.
Yeah,
Yeah. So I was talking to somebody over there next door.
okay, just do me a favor.
That was the only
Yeah.
court date I missed though.
No, I know, but that was a big one. Because that was the trial date. So just try to make sure that you're here on time, all right? Thank you.
Thank you.
When I did see the-
Court calls the case People versus Taja Thomas.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ricky Cook for People.
Thank you, Judge. Torture pleased to assist the public defender on behalf of Tiana Thomas.
Mr. Allen, go next door to the PD. That young lady walked out, make sure there's not a problem. She walked out and tell her she needs to make sure because I see everything.
Sorry, Judge.
Go ahead.
Ms. Thomas, please state your name for the record.
Tanea Thomas.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jeff. Reach out to Ms. Thomas, but we did not have contact with her. I don't know if her phone number may have changed, but according to our notes of DD, we could not reach her.
March 4th, 2026, 9 a.m. Ma'am, contact the public defender's office, make sure they have your up-to-date information from a phone call or from a phone number and email standpoint, okay?
Okay, I did. I was calling them all week.
It's okay. I hold on. I just don't know if it got all the way through.
Oh,
I'm just saying, I need you to call down and just double check it.
Okay,
All right? Thank you.
thank you.
Court calls the case, People versus Kayla Walden.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ricky Cook for the People.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Ms. Walden.
Oh, Ms. Walden,
Kayla Walden.
thank you. All right. All right, hang on a second. Are you good?
Yeah.
Because
I would like to apologize on how I left. It's no disrespect towards you.
all right,
Anybody else in the courtroom. I'm frustrated with things sometimes, so my apologies.
okay, because the way you went out of here, that's how people end up back there, and I didn't want that to happen because you walked out that way and then you headed that way, and I didn't know what your intention was. Okay, all right, thank you. Apology accepted. All right, we're on the Walden matter.
We were requesting an adjournment, Your Honor.
I'll adjourn the matter March 4th, 2026, 9 a.m. That's the last adjournment of the pre-trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Walden.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ricky Cook for People.
Washington, come on up. What's your name?
Jalen Washington.
All right, Mr. Washington, this is an arraignment and pretrial. And in terms of the arraignment, you are before the court on a misdemeanor complaint that has two charges on it. And that the first charge is that of operating, this is alleged to have occurred on November 2nd, 2025, I-94 near Carpenter Road. The first charge is operating while intoxicated. Do you understand the nature of that charge? Yes, sir. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. The court could order community service, any rehabilitative programs the court deems necessary. The court could order your vehicle immobilized, could order your vehicle forfeited, could order you to pay the cost of the prosecution as well as the cost of any emergency governmental services. Do you understand those possible penalties, sir? Yes, sir. Count 2 is the charge of carrying a concealed weapon while under the influence. You understand the nature of that charge, sir? Yes, sir. All right. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $100 fine plus court costs. If you are licensed to carry a concealed weapon, the court would also be required on conviction to order that the county clerk be notified of this offense. and would be required to revoke your licensure to care. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. First question I have for you, sir, is do you want to be represented by an attorney on this?
No, I'm fine. Well, no, I think so, yeah. Yeah.
So you want to be represented by an attorney? You sure you don't want to handle it yourself?
No.
You ain't got a law license, do you?
No.
Yeah, I didn't think so. So you probably want an attorney.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Brown, this is a PD case.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Washington, waive reading of the charges, and you request adjourn pretrial to get the police report and talk to him.
Defendant name and wait for a reading, standing mute, court ruling her not guilty plea. Pretrial in this matter will be adjourned to March 4th, 2026, 9 a.m. As to bond, alleged BAC in this matter.
.111, there was no crash involved.
No crash.
Correct.
Bond in this case will be set in the amount of $10,000 personal recognizance. Under standard conditions, including no assault behavior or possession of any weapons. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
There's to be no possession or consumption of any alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drugs. I will order that the defendant is to report over to the Department of Community Corrections for a placement on a sober link testing device. And I've signed that order. Thank you, sir. Court calls case People versus Taja Williams.
Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
The judge, Torture please to assistant public defender on behalf of Ms. Williams.
Oh, yeah. Coming up that one.
State your name for the record, please.
Williams.
Thank you,
How
Judge.
did I mess up your first? Why are you not?
I think you had it.
Well, hold on a second. Why are you nodding? I messed it up. So you had to sign on and let everybody know? You had, I was gonna ask. You just really, man? Ma'am, how do I pronounce your first name?
It's Kylie.
Kylia. Stand corrected. I'm gonna mess it up again, so I'm not, I don't. All right, go ahead, Mr. Feaster.
Thank you, Judge. I believe Ms. Williams is looking to set this matter for a trial date and a final settlement conference.
Final settlement conference. Jury final settlement conference will be April 10th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Jury selection, if necessary, will be April 13th, 2026 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person.
Thank you
All
very
right.
much.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Court calls the case People versus Keontae Wright.
Good afternoon, Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
Ready again, Judge Torture please to assistant public defender on behalf of Mr. Wright.
Keontae Wright.
Yes.
All right. Keontae Wright. I need a camera,
Hold on,
please.
sir.
Mr. Wright. Got it?
Mrs. Wright, apologies.
Keontae Wright. All right.
Yes.
Whatever's in the background, you're gonna need to turn down, ma'am. Okay, state your name, please.
Chill, dude.
What?
Thank you.
Mr. Wright, can you state your name, please?
Keontae Wright.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. I believe Mr. Brown was handling the file. It does not appear that he was able to speak to Ms. Wright. I think we need to request an adjournment.
I'll adjourn this out to March 4th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls case People versus Taja Win.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Yeah, this is her way without counsel when she isn't.
Okay. How's that? Yeah, there you go. Okay. I'm not gonna worry about it. Your name?
Taja Win.
All right. Ma'am, you are before this is an arraignment pretrial. You are before the court on a misdemeanor complaint, one count, that alleges that on or about October 22nd, 2025, at the location of Twin Lakes Drive in Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you did commit an assault or assault and battery upon a Jamera right. Do you understand what you're charged with, ma'am?
Yes, I do, sir.
That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do, sir.
All right. The first question I have for you is, do you want to be represented by an attorney?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Public defender case.
Torture Feaster, Assistant Public Defender, now appearing on behalf of Ms. Wright. We wait for more reading, Your Honor, stand mute. That's for an adjourned pretrial date.
Defending every way.
Whatever is playing in the background needs to be turned down immediately. This court requires your full attention. If distractions continue, proceedings cannot move forward properly. A courtroom, virtual or not, is not a place for divided focus.
Set the defendant's bond at a $5,000 personal recognizance